In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify navigation. 5 minutes. We're going to update your store's main menu quickly and confidently so customers can find what they need. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the sidebar on the left, look for Online Store. This is where all your storefront settings live. Click Online Store and you'll land on the Themes area, which shows your current live theme at the top. Next, open your Themes editor. Depending on your view, this button may say Customize or Edit Theme. Click it to launch the visual editor. This is a safe place to make layout and content changes, and you'll see a live preview of your storefront on the right. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand panel and choose Header. Your header controls the logo, announcement bar, and importantly, the navigation that appears across the top of your site. In the header settings, find the menu option. It usually points to your main menu. Click the menu field to open the menu details, then choose main menu if it isn't selected already. Now click edit to open the full navigation editor for that menu. You're in the right place to add a new link. Click add menu items. A panel will open where you'll enter two things. First, the label. This is the exact text shoppers will see in your navigation, so keep it short and clear. Think shop, new arrivals, or contact. Second, the link. Click into the link field to pick a destination from your store, like a collection, a product, a page, or your blog. You can also paste a full URL if you're linking to an external site. Use the search inside this picker to find items quickly, and make sure the link matches your intent before you add it. When you're happy, confirm the new menu item, then click Save. Saving here publishes the menu change to your live theme. If the theme editor shows a separate Save button, click that as well to lock in the header setting. Give your storefront a quick refresh and check the top navigation. Your new label should appear, and on mobile it will show inside the menu icon. If you don't see the change, confirm you edited the main menu and that you're customizing the published theme. Short descriptive labels and links to your highest converting pages work best, and you can manage renames or removals from this same screen anytime. That's it. Your Shopify navigation is updated in just a few minutes.